Hello, everybody. First and foremost, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to get right into it. We're doing a how-to tutorial on how to return items from eBay. I am an avid eBay shopper. I shop on there all the time, okay? And sometimes things come that are unwanted. The shirt didn't fit correctly. The jacket didn't button up properly. Maybe an item sometimes possibly is defective. Okay, so sometimes there is a need to return items to eBay. So the first thing that you're going to do if you get an item that you want to return is you're going to type in the search menu www.ebay.com, and that is how we arrive here at our main page. Okay, once you have an account set up, obviously if you are returning an item, obviously you have an account with my eBay. You have an account with eBay. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the top menu. If you're not signed in, go ahead and do so. Then you're going to go to the click down menu up here where it says my eBay. Okay. All right. And then okay, so it's going to have me to sign in here. So you just place your credentials in there. And usually you'll already be signed in from your computer. I usually don't use this computer. I usually use my PC. But we are just going to sign into my account for now, but this would be your account so that it will pull up all of your information. I want to skip that menu at this time. Okay, so now I am all in. As you can see in the icon, it has highlighted that is an existing account. So you're going to scroll over to my eBay, okay? When you scroll over to my eBay, in that drop down menu, it's going to have a world of information. You can use this not only for returning products, but for viewing your past purchases, okay? And many times it will have a notification box up here. But once again, we're just going to go to my eBay. There's the drop down menu. I don't enjoy working on laptops because sometimes the mouse function is just not completely great. Okay. Okay, so all right. So you're going to go to my eBay and it keeps unhighlighting. This is a glitch on my end. You will not face this kind of problem. But once you go to my eBay, oh goodness gracious. Okay, when you go to my eBay, oh, I'm so sorry for this. Okay, so you're gonna look at this is really. I didn't know where y'all were going. Where were y'all You going? Need to tell her, sweetheart. I know that you know that she's new to the program, so you need to make sure that you let her know what's going on. Where'd y'all go? Okay, if I'll ever get to this. Okay. So this is not working perfectly for me. So sorry about this. I'm going to have to use a different computer. I'm so sorry. But when you go to my eBay, it is supposed to pull down a drop down menu. This is actually technical difficulties that I am experiencing here. Okay. So now purchase history is where you want to go to. Okay. So you're going to go to purchase history. Okay, here we are. So when you press purchase history, it's going to show you all the beautiful items that you have purchased. Okay, I went through a sandal flip flop thong fetish for a minute. There goes some shoes for my son that I bought. Okay, there goes some shoes for my daughter that I bought. But you can buy cars, you can buy anything, but what you want to pay attention to is, let's go an example. Okay, let's go to, okay, delivered on April 10th. Now today is July 1st, so more than likely I am out of the return window, so I can contact the seller. I can sell this item, or I can hide the order. So let's go back to a recent purchase, a more recent purchase, because here we are, we're almost all the way in August. Okay. So this is July. Okay. And so here is an item. Okay. July 3rd, the order total was $10. Then it gives you your order number there. It was delivered on Friday, July the 5th. Now, under here, it says returns not accepted, but there is always a guarantee policy under eBay's policy. Okay. All salespeople do not have a no returns policy. So then you want to click on not I'm sorry. You want to click on return this item, okay? And so I clicked on sell this item, and I'll do another video on selling items on eBay, okay? So hopefully it's going to pull up. Yep, this is the sell an item menu, and that's not what you're looking for. I did click on the wrong icon. Okay, so let's go back and review that one more time. So these are your eBay purchases. You want to go to more actions. Then you're going to want to press on return this item. Okay. So once you hit on return this item, you want to press on any of your decisions. Now, since I have these and I actually love these sandals, this is not a real life return. For the sake of the tutorial, I just brought you here. So I'm going to just cancel out once I show you how to go through the process of returning the item. So many times, let's say for instance, if this strap was loose or something, I would just put item is defective, but you can choose any of the issues, any issue that you have, and then you're going to press next, okay? And then you're going to, many times they may want you to give an explanation. So an example, you would put strap uh loose, okay, or it's ungluing or something to that nature. And then you can add your photo, and then you're going to go through the menu where it says confirm return, okay? And so that's all that you have to do. So in just review, I don't want to continue this because of course I don't want to get a bad claim with eBay, because I really don't want to return this item, but sometimes I do have the need to return the item. But that's all that you have to do. So in review, you just go to ebay.com, you log into your account, you press on my eBay, search under purchase history. So again, go to ebay.com, make sure that you're signed in, scramble on over to my eBay and check out your purchase history, okay? And any item that you don't want or that has arrived defective or broken or any of the above situations, you can just go to more actions, okay? So purchase history and then more actions. And that is all that it takes in order to return an item on eBay. Okay. So I love you guys. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, peace and love.